Of all our instruction periods, we are most proud of our nature program, which is indebted to Shannon Van Wagner for the excitement she brought to the exploration of the natural world around us.
Something from this time, this age, which might be a nice white-tailed deer. But who knows what we're going to see? I'm just guessing. This is sweetgill. It grows around camp in the wet places, but it also grows here in the spruce bog, and you know why. And it's something that they say, you know, one of those stories, they say that the pioneers used to use it. And this is really interesting. I just try that, Mark.
This is sort of
What does that smell like?
mint wood.
These are just like the sundews. These are other plants that eat insects. That's an old pitcher plant.
Why do they have water in them? Why do they have water?
Why do they have water?
They're pitcher plants.
They're called pitcher plants because they hold water like a pitcher holds juice. Oh, look, Drummond, we found some really pretty little begonias. Yeah, what's this growing right here?
That looks like a pitcher plant.
Campers are fortunate that we are surrounded by 400 acres of Canada's pristine natural beauty. The quality of our nature staff is unparalleled.